Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to ASTRA 2022 program presented by AKKA IAS Academy. In this video, I'll be discussing few of the basic concepts related to ratio and proportion. So let's begin. So friends, actually when you need this ratio and proportion, okay, when you compare two numbers, when you compare two different numbers, okay, then only you will be encountering this ratio and proportion. Okay, so what do you mean by comparison? It is actually necessary to find out how many times one number is greater or lesser than the another number. Okay, if there are two numbers, actually x and y, you need to find out x is how many times greater or lesser than y. Okay, so in order to express this, we will be using fraction, right? So in other words, what I'll be what I'm trying to say is, we need to express one number as a fraction of another number. Okay, we need to express one number as a fraction of another number. Okay, so then only it is called as ratio and proportion. Okay, see, like this we will be expressing x upon y, whereas where x is numerator and y is denominator. Okay guys, see, this ratio also can be expressed in percentages. In the previous videos I have discussed in the class of percentages how one number can be expressed on the percentages of another number. Okay, see here, ratio can express also be in the percentages. What we need to do is, x upon y is there, so simply we need to multiply by 100. Okay, say for example there is 4 upon 5. Okay, so this can also be written as 0.8. Okay, when you multiply it by 100, you will be getting, that is nothing but 80%. Okay, see, the ratios also can be expressed in percentages. Okay, so in the next page I'll be dealing with few of the properties of ratio and proportion which you need to know to solve few basic problems. Okay, so what are the few properties here? First property is nothing but, if we multiply the numerator and denominator of the ratio with same number, okay, with same number, this is very important here. See, there's a number, there's a ratio given x upon y. Okay, so if at all we multiply with the same number a, the numerator and denominator, okay, so the product will be x into a and y into a. Okay, so what will happen when you multiply this with the same number, the numerator and denominator? The ratio remains same. Okay, the ratio of x by y after multiplying with the same number of numerator and denominator, the ratio of xa and ya will be same. Okay, will be same here. This is the first property. And second property is, if we divide the numerator and denominator by the same number. Okay, if we divide numerator and denominator by same number, the ratio also remains same. The ratio remains same. Okay, so a by b is the ratio. Let us take it as an example. So if at all you divide with d, okay, the same number, so a by d upon b by d, the ratio of this a by b and this a by d to the by b and by b by d will be same. The ratio will be same here. Okay, so moving on to the third property. In few of the questions there will be given two ratios. Okay, two ratios, and there will be the question asks you to find which is greater or which is lesser. Okay, so when question asks to find which is greater or lesser amongst two different ratios, okay, two different ratios, then what you need to find? You need to equate the denominators first. Okay, you need to equate the denominator. Denominator 1 is there and numerator 2 and denominator 2 is there, so you need to equate this denominator 1 and denominator 2. So how you will do? We need to take the LCM of the denominator, then we'll be equating the numerator. So after equating the denominator, you need to check the numerator. Okay, so which is the greater the denominator, the highest will be the ratio. The lesser the denominator, the lesser amongst the two different ratios. Okay, so these are the few basic concepts, not all the concepts, few basic concepts what you need to know before solving the ratio and proportion problems, guys. Okay, and in the next video I'll be dealing with few questions upon ratios and proportion there, and whenever a new concept appears, I'll be trying to explaining there only. Okay, so guys, we shall meet in the next video. If at all you find this video informative, kindly do share and subscribe to our channel. Kindly like and also comment in the comment section. Thank you guys. We shall meet in the next video.